Did you know that toothpaste can do more than just clean your teeth? It's true. This everyday item found in almost every household has a multitude of uses that go far beyond dental hygiene. This bathroom staple has hidden talents that can revolutionize your cleaning routine. Imagine having a single product that can tackle various cleaning challenges around your home. Get ready to be amazed as we unlock the surprising power of toothpaste. You might be wondering, what else can it do? Well, let's dive into some of its unexpected uses. Toothpaste is packed with powerful cleaning agents. These ingredients are not only effective at maintaining oral health, but also have properties that make them excellent for other cleaning tasks. These agents are designed to remove plaque and stains from your teeth, but their stain-fighting power doesn't stop there. But guess what? They work wonders on other surfaces too. From bathroom sinks to kitchen counters, toothpaste can be a versatile cleaner. Get ready to say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a sparkling clean home. Toothpaste can be used to clean mirrors, leaving them streak-free and shiny. From banishing stubborn stains to making your silverware gleam, toothpaste is a secret weapon for a cleaner, fresher home. It can even be used to polish jewelry and remove scratches from CDs and DVDs. Join me as we explore the surprising and versatile world of toothpaste beyond the bathroom sink. You'll be amazed at how this simple product can simplify your cleaning routine and make your home shine like never before.
Forget expensive cleaning products filled with harsh chemicals. This humble tube of toothpaste is about to become your new best friend. It's time to ditch those harsh chemicals and embrace the power of toothpaste. Toothpaste is a gentle yet effective abrasive. This makes it perfect for tackling tough stains and grime without damaging delicate surfaces. Plus, its minty fresh scent leaves your home smelling clean and inviting. Imagine banishing coffee stains from your favorite mug or restoring the shine to your dingy silverware. All with a dab of toothpaste. Stay tuned as we reveal the simple yet effective ways to use toothpaste around your home.
We've all been there. Those moments when you feel like your home is a battleground of stains, scratches, and unpleasant odors. That stubborn coffee stain on the counter that just won't budge no matter how hard you scrub. The scuff marks on your new shoes that make you cringe every time you look at them. The lingering smell of onions in the kitchen that seems to hang around forever, no matter how many times you clean. Don't despair. Toothpaste is here to save the day. Yes, that same toothpaste you use to keep your teeth clean and bright. Toothpaste's mild abrasive properties make it a stain-fighting superhero. It can tackle those tough stains with ease. Its gentle formula can lift away coffee, tea, and even red wine stains from various surfaces, leaving them looking as good as new. And don't even get me started on its odor-absorbing powers. Toothpaste can neutralize those stubborn smells that just won't go away. Toothpaste can neutralize unpleasant odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Imagine walking into a kitchen that smells as good as it looks. From stinky sinks to musty closets, toothpaste is the ultimate odor eliminator. It can freshen up any space in your home. Get ready to discover the many ways toothpaste can tackle your toughest household challenges. It's not just for your teeth anymore.
Let's get down to business and dive into some incredible cleaning hacks that will make your life so much easier. Today, we're going to explore some practical and surprising ways to incorporate toothpaste into your cleaning routine. Yes, you heard that right. Ordinary toothpaste. You'll be amazed by its versatility and effectiveness in tackling various cleaning challenges around your home. For those stubborn stains that just won't budge, apply a small amount of toothpaste directly to the stain. This works wonders on a variety of surfaces. Gently rub with a damp cloth or sponge in a circular motion. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste help lift the stain without damaging the surface. Rinse thoroughly with water and voila, the stain is gone, leaving your surface looking as good as new. To remove unsightly scuff marks from floors or walls, squeeze a dab of toothpaste onto a soft cloth. Rub the affected area gently until the marks disappear. This method is especially useful for those pesky marks left by shoes or furniture. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and admire the restored shine. Your surfaces will look pristine and well maintained. To freshen up smelly sinks, Apply a thin layer of toothpaste around the drain. This is a quick and easy way to combat unpleasant odors. Let it sit for a few minutes to neutralize odors. The toothpaste will work its magic, leaving your sink smelling fresh and clean. Rinse thoroughly with water for a sparkling, clean, and fresh-smelling sink. You'll be amazed at how effective this simple hack can be. So there you have it. A few simple yet powerful cleaning hacks using toothpaste. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. Happy cleaning. The ultimate toothpaste test. Before and after magic. Seeing is believing, right? Let's put toothpaste's cleaning power to the test with a dramatic before and after demonstration. Prepare to be amazed. For this experiment, we'll be tackling tarnished silverware. Over time, silver can lose its luster and become dull. But don't worry, toothpaste can bring it back to life. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft cloth. Gently rub the tarnished silverware in a circular motion, focusing on areas with heavy tarnish. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a soft cloth. The results? Sparkling, shiny silverware that looks good as new.
Section 6. More than just a pretty smile. Toothpaste's versatility unveiled. As you can see, toothpaste is a true multitasking marvel. But its talents don't stop there. Let's uncover even more surprising uses for this bathroom staple. Did you know that toothpaste can also clean your diamond ring? Restore its sparkle by gently rubbing it with a soft bristled toothbrush and some toothpaste. Remove crayon marks from walls. Apply a dab of toothpaste to a damp cloth and gently rub the crayon marks until they disappear. Defog your bathroom mirror. Rub a thin layer of toothpaste onto the mirror and wipe clean with a dry cloth to prevent fogging.
Section 7. Don't toss that tube. Toothpaste tips and tricks. Before you reach for that expensive cleaning product, remember the power of toothpaste. Here are a few additional tips and tricks to maximize its effectiveness. Use a non-gel toothpaste. White toothpaste typically contains more abrasive agents, making it more effective for cleaning. Less is more. A little toothpaste goes a long way. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. Test on an inconspicuous area first. Before applying toothpaste to a large or visible area, test it on a hidden spot to ensure it doesn't cause any damage. Section 8. Unleash the power of toothpaste. Your home will thank you. There you have it, folks. Toothpaste, the unsung hero of the cleaning world. This versatile and affordable product can tackle a multitude of household woes, leaving your home sparkling clean and fresh. So next time you're facing a stubborn stain, a scuffed-up surface, or an unpleasant odor, don't reach for those harsh chemicals. Grab your trusty tube of toothpaste and experience the magic for yourself.
Section 9. Subscribe for more home hacks. DIY like a pro. Did you enjoy these amazing toothpaste hacks? Want to learn even more clever and budget-friendly ways to keep your home in tip-top shape? Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY home improvement tips and tricks.